I'm here in Queensland, Australia, on a hot and humid summer day. I have done in a video before this one using the pearlescent paints and a little bit of a mixing, what I mix them with. You'll find that in my playlist there. So I'm just going to pour on this MDF round and see if I can get anything nice with the rest of the paints that I have left, and see if, yeah, I can. Oh, I'm told that I have to do the what you can do a white background, I'm told, but you're best to lay them onto black puddles. So they all look the same, they all look like that, but they do dry. That one's pearlescent violet, pearlescent blue. They're all different colours, but when I mix them, I didn't mark my containers, so they all look the same colour. I didn't mark the containers what colours they were, but I am just experimenting this week, and I can barely get my gloves on because it is so humid here, and my hands, oh geez Louise, are just sticky. I'm going to go for it. It's covered my fingers up. So I'm going to pour the rest of my black. As I said in a previous video, the black is not Amsterdam black, it's actually the global impasto black, because I didn't have enough Amsterdam black. Somebody told me that they just used Amsterdam black. So this paint was given to me by my friend Sue, so thank you again, Sue. I did do a previous video on this paints, showing you how I did my particular mix, not knowing how other people mix. I just use what I've got available here, so we will see. Hey, so I've done that puddle. I'm going to literally just pour these paints on in puddles. I wonder if I actually do this kind of thing over them. I'm probably not going to work. You guys probably know better than me, because this is the first few pours that I'm doing in these paints. So I'm going to see if, like, this crazy pour will work. And you won't get the colours, see the colours apparently, until it's dry. So, and maybe I'll just go with those at the minute, and then give them a little swish. Maybe they don't roll over each other nicely, I'm not sure. Let me know, let me know. And has anybody ever tried swiping over these with the Amsterdam paint? I mean, I wonder if it'll still show if you swipe, maybe. Not sure. Well, there you go. That's just swizzled, so it's very easy. Like, there's nothing too difficult about it. I was going to just try a little bit of a comb through it, maybe. I'll try a comb to give it a different effect. This is like a Nitty Nora, the Bug Explorer. This is a knit comb. So I just thought if I do a few little... Ooh, maybe I shouldn't do this. But how cool does that look already? Oh! Well, there you go. I thought that no. But you know what? That could be super duper. When those colours dry, let me go again. Now I've got the bug. Wow, 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 wow. So I haven't actually seen anybody work that's got the comb through it yet. So there you go, testing with the wrap. That is the best, because you can see the separate marks. So I'm thinking that would look so cool on a large painting with just a what you call it, a negative space background. Okay, well, there's another test. I'm going to put that aside now, see how it dries, but can kind of see the colours are already coming up, which the previous pours that I just did in this, you can't see the colours yet because they haven't even started to dry. So I will I might try on a white background after this one. I was going to even do a tiny balloon kiss in it because I thought, has anybody actually done a balloon kiss in these paintings yet? In this pearlescent paints? So I might have to add a little balloon kiss, but I love that there, and I think that would have looked so good on a real... Okay, now it's got my taste buds going. We'll see how it dries, guys, and we'll be back. Well, it did sort of colour up the pearlescent paints, but they didn't go really vibrant, as you can see. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Maybe it was because I used a different paint brand for the back. So if anybody has any tips and tricks for me using these paints, I would be more than happy to listen. So thanks for joining me. Bye for now.